I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You need to confirm prerequisites: an iPhone with iOS 13 Plus and a CarPlay-capable vehicle. First, enable Bluetooth and Wi-Fi on your phone. Make sure Do Not Disturb is off. Once done, plug your Lightning or USB-C cable into the car's USB port labeled CarPlay, or prepare to pair wirelessly. You want the phone unlocked while the car recognizes the device. This fast start gets the connection handshake going so the car and iPhone can negotiate permissions. You'll see a CarPlay prompt on your iPhone. Tap Allow and select the vehicle name. If wireless, follow the pairing flow in Bluetooth settings and confirm the code shown. Make sure to grant permissions for contacts, messages, and location so voice and navigation work. Once paired, go to Settings General CarPlay to assign apps and reorder icons. This step makes frequently used apps immediately accessible. If you want Siri hands-free, enable Listen for Hey Siri and press the steering wheel voice button to test. You should now see the CarPlay interface. Test Maps, Phone, and Music to confirm touch and voice control function. If icons are missing, return to Settings General CarPlay to add apps. If CarPlay fails, make sure the cable is Apple certified and replug. Restart the iPhone and the car's infotainment system. As a key troubleshooting tip, delete the vehicle from Bluetooth paired devices and repair, or reset CarPlay in settings. This clears stale pairings and resolves most stubborn connectivity issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.